This is a demonstration video for how to register for your next year's classes using Canvas. Please take out your iPad at this time and follow along. Go to the Rosemount High School website at rhs.district196.org. When you come to this website, you're going to notice that there are two different ways to log in to our specific registration homepage. One way is the scrolling banner that you see at the top here. When you see that banner come up, there will be a button over here that says Learn More. When that is the one that comes up, you simply click Learn More, and you will see the registration website open. The second way to find the registration website is to click the menu, then click the plus sign by families, and then scroll down until you see registration information. Simply click that, and that will open the same window. The years and dates may or may not match on this video, as we may be using this registration video in future years. Please scroll down, until you see the big red letters, students entering 10th, 11th, or 12th grade. When you are on this page, please look for registration documents and materials. Click that, and then click grades 10, 11, and 12 registration and elective worksheets. Now click 10th grade. Open up the 10th grade registration worksheet and the 10th grade elective worksheet. You may also have these already printed and have been working from them to choose your classes. If so, please take them out at this time. As a reminder, this is the registration worksheet for grade 10. This is showing the core courses and the options you have in each core subject as a 10th grader. Let's go ahead and take a look now on how to open up the registration window so you can enter your course choices. If we go back to this home screen and scroll up past those red letters back to this green button, this is the button that will take you to registration. Please do not use the app on your iPad. Always use this link to get in to the section where you will enter your courses. Click it to open, and you will see a screen like this. And now you're going to want to make sure that this menu bar appears. If it doesn't, just click these three lines. When the menu bar is there, I want you to click Academic Plan. Now simply click Next. Do not worry about either of these drop downs. Please ignore them and click Next. This will bring you to your enrollment screen. The only course that is already in there in 10th grade is Wellness. That's because that has been pre-added for you. All right, let's go ahead and start getting your courses in. Please ignore these numbers above the sections. They are nothing that pertain to you, so don't worry about them. We are going to go ahead and start entering. So let's go to that 10th grade registration worksheet, and let's start entering our courses. And start with the requirement of English. So English, you can choose between English 10A, Honors Literature, or you may have been recommended to take the InverPrep English 10 class. You will notice that the course numbers are following each of those course titles. The course number is what I want you to use. So go ahead for your particular English class you're enrolling for. Go ahead and grab that course number now. For the sake of my example, I'm going to enter English 10, but if you're registering for one of the other two, use those course numbers. Let's come back to the registration menu and type in that course number in this top window here. Once you see your course pop up, you're going to click it, and then you're going to click Add to Grade 10. And you should notice that under English, it has started to fill in. I'm going to go back up because this is a full year course and we need to make sure we're entering each trimester. So take a look at the course number for each trimester and enter those course numbers in. Now you get an A, a B, and a C trimester added in. If for some reason something added wrong or you grabbed a wrong course number, you can delete a selection just by clicking the X next to that course and then correct it by finding the right course number and adding it in. Once you have that added in, now you are going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for math, for science, and for social studies. Once you have filled in those courses, your column should look more like mine. So English is filled in, mathematics is filled in with your next level math, science is filled in, and then so is social studies. As mentioned before, all students are taking wellness. And then they had the opportunity to fill in 2 Phi-Ed electives. If you're taking safety ed in the fall of your sophomore year, you would go ahead and type in 0807, which is going to be the fall safety ed course. Once you add it, that will fill in right here. Most future 10th graders are taking safety ed this year. So what you will do is select 2 Phi-Ed electives. So on that elective worksheet, you're going to take a look at the PEs that are available or that you've already selected, and you are going to add those in. So for the sake of this sample, I'm going to use Fall Team Activities 0831. Go ahead over here, type that in, and oh, that's winter team. Yep, see, 0832, that's why you got to watch. Fall team, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to grade 10, and now that will have shown up under the PE classes right there. Okay, so you want 2 PE classes or PE and safety ed. All right, now let's come back up to the elective space. That should be the only thing on the 10th grade worksheet that you have not filled in at this point. You will find the elective numbers on that elective worksheet under the departments that you're looking at. Remember that some of our electives are full year electives. World Language is a full year elective. The music department with band, choir, and dance are full year electives. AP Computer Science is a full year elective course, as well as accounting. Okay, the remaining ones are primarily trimester electives. If you are taking a full year elective course, that will fill in 1, 2, 3 of the 6 spots. If you're taking 2 full year electives, that will complete your schedule. Okay, and you will not need to worry about alternatives. However, if you are taking some trimester electives or all trimester electives, you do want to make sure to fill in also some alternatives. So let's go add some electives at this time. Just come over here to business, and let's say that I am going to add in business management 0235. Come back to campus. 0235 goes in the search bar. Business Management A came up. Add to grade 10. Shows Business Management in the elective section. Between arts and electives, you are going to want 6 different classes to show up here, filling in those 6 sections in this bottom part of the worksheet. To enter an alternative, you are going to want to also go ahead and choose your trimester alternate. So let's say if I couldn't get that business class, I'm also really interested in taking favorite foods. So I'd be okay if I needed to take that instead. So I'm going to write in 0427. Favorite foods comes up, but this time I'm going to say add to alternates grade 10. If I come all the way down here, it is going to show that it was now listed in my alternates section. It is super important before you exit the program to always click save. Do not worry about the words in this box. Simply click OK. Now your work is saved. If you exit the program and come back in, it will look just as you've left it now. This is what a completed schedule will look like. You'll notice again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trimesters of electives have been selected. One which is a full year class, okay, because Spanish is full year. English is filled in. Math is filled in with all 3 tries. PE has the 2 trimesters of Phi-Ed filled in. Science is filled in with all 3 tries. Social studies is filled in with all 3 tries. Wellness remained there. And then because this student had chosen a few trimester electives, there are some trimester electives added to alternates. Okay, this would be a completed registration. Click Save, click that blue OK, do not worry about the box, and this registration is complete.